Hey everyone, it's Karen from Be Green here, and I'm here today to announce our brand new product. It's called RevitaLuxe Radiance Serum. We've been actually working on it for nearly a year and it's finally ready. It's such a great all-encompassing product. You really just need to use this one serum along with your moisturizer and you will get all of the potent active ingredients. This product will hydrate, balance, brighten, and smooth your skin. One of the things I just love about it is that it includes a stabilized form of vitamin C, and that form of vitamin C is slowly released into your skin. The other things I love about it is it has so many hydration boosters. It has hyaluronic acid, P-peptides, and even squalane. It's super moisturizing. It's great for all skin types, even sensitive skin. If you do have super sensitive skin, we do recommend a patch test first just to make sure it's right for you. It also has niacinamide, which is really all the rage these days. Other things that it includes is cacao plum, which is actually a plant with the highest form of vitamin C in it, and also tremolo mushroom, which is just fantastic for your skin. What I recommend is a couple of pumps to do your whole face. You can see what it looks like. It's super lightweight. It's fast absorbing. It has a very light scent, so it has no added scents, no fragrance oils, no essential oils, but we do use neroli hydrosol in it, and it gives it just a tiny little scent. It's a sweet, almost orange blossom smell. We do have it in the full size, which I showed you, and also a cute little travel trial size. So really, if you want to see how it works for your skin, you can go with the trial size first. They're both amber glass bottles with plastic pumps, and I just hope you love it as much as I do. I've been using it for several months and it's just really made a difference in my skin. I hope you give it a try.